agree? First of all, you need to become happy, and that's why happy morning would make a difference. And that's what the management teaches us, to make a difference. It's not only about just learning 4 more semesters and going through those all academics only. No doubt, that's a major component, that's true. But here, first of all, I'd like to congratulate all of you for 2 important reasons. One, despite of having the pandemic, you are here, traveled longer distances and taken care of your health during the pandemic, and still you feel that yes, कोरोना होने दो, नहीं तो कुछ भी होने दो, हमें लाइफ आगे बढ़ानी है, हाँ या ना? इसलिए एक जोरदार तालीबंदी आपके लिए। यार मोदी ने अभी तक तालियों के ऊपर टैक्स नहीं डाला है, तो जोर से डालना। The second reason is very again clear. As of academics in India is concerned, hardly 0.2% of the people after graduation turn up into the PGs. Maybe different PGs. It's not only MBA. And out of that, you are the selective people. Means you are quite focused. You are quite clear about your vision towards your career. It's not only getting into the job market, but it is much beyond that. And for that, I feel I should congratulate this young crowd. So once again, next 3 days, the focus is on a specific objective, either PGCET or KMAT. How many of you are attempting PGCET? Almost everyone. KMAT? Okay, fine. So first thing, let me make it clear that जो phobia है, PGCET exam कैसे रहेगा, कौन से sections रहते हैं, and how it is to be tackled, whether I'll be able to crack it or not, forget it now. Because the kind of panel we have will make you through all the sections very clearly. After the end of the training, we'll be providing you the respective study material. There will be a lot of links which should be shared. You can have a practice test, and one mock test should be allotted on 10th. You can take up that test either in our campus or you can take it onto your own Android cell phones, or if you have that internet facility at your home, that can be done. This is how the whole structure is. Okay. Any questions? No questions? Then there are 2 things. One, you understood everything. Another is bouncer हो गए. Bouncer हो जा रहे हैं. Okay, hold on for a few minutes. थोड़ा सा सर्कस करना पड़ेगा. Thanks. Annapurna Institute of Management Research, Lankeshwar. Our beloved director, Dr. Madhuri Hebbalkar, all my fellow team members, and the whole institute. I welcome you all to Annapurna Institute of Management Research. Now the first session, usually most of you are afraid of, most of you are a little worried, most of you are little like you have that phobia just now I spoke on, that was related to quantitative techniques or maybe the aptitudes. बाकी सब कर लेते हैं सर, बट वो जो एरिया है ना वो थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो जाता है. So as I said, nothing to worry. We have one of the finest trainers across this part of Karnataka and Maharashtra. She is a corporate master trainer. She builds industries and goes for the senior executive level trainers like CEOs and CFOs. तो आप लोगों को तो आराम से ऐसा कुछ करने वाले नहीं है. Okay, please first let me introduce for you the first trainer of the day, Dr. Madhuri Hebbalkar. Yeah, we'll first.
Very good morning to one and all. Morning. Comfortable? Yes. Okay. How many of you speak Marathi? Okay. How many of you speak Kannada? Arey, raise hands. Energy should be there or no? Nanikinte ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು? Isn't it? Yes. Then both Marathi and Kannada. आपका हाथ कहीं पे भी नहीं सिर्फ हिंदी बात करें क्या? आपको कन्नड़ा भी नहीं आती, मराठी भी नहीं आती? I just asked you to make you comfortable. Major session will be in English, but wherever you feel like you don't understand something, it's your duty to ask. Clear? ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. then ಮರಾಠಿನಾಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂದಿನಾಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ತೆಲುಗು ತಮಿಳ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So that's not an issue. Here we are here to make ourselves comfortable. Now within 3 days of this PGCET training, we won't be able to cover up everything. You agree with me? It's not something which is like a pill. Hey, 3 ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, 3 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ? It's not possible, right? You also know and I also know. Even the team knows. Even the trainers who are going to come tomorrow and day after tomorrow, they also know. But it is only to give you an idea that yes, what all things are there, how you need to appear this particular exam, and how you need to crack it in this situation. So at least give a hand so that you get 3 days more, so that you could sit, practice little bit. ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬಹುದು? And I could get somewhere the admission or maybe somewhere that score which is going to lead me towards the desired institution. Sorry? Getting the point here? So we are going to be here for an approach. We will try to cover up maximum ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, we will try to give you, but the focus is also should be like how much you are able to take also. ನಾ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹ ತಯಾರಿ. How much you are also ready in a maybe what is your mindset whether you would be able to take it up. Fair enough? So here when you are going to learn, we all are here to learn. Maybe sometimes I can also learn from you, isn't it? So what you need to do is, if you don't understand, you have to ask me the questions. Ma'am, ತಿಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ, because we are here to learn the technique, not the subject. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Clear? So we will have a small gift for you. It's not a gift, it's a comfortable tool kit for you. We will just give that to you, and then we will start the first session. Clear?
MD course.
What's your name? Girish.
Girish.
You're from? Ellakadu. Where you are BCom?
Soumya Patil. Saurabh Patil.
Soumya. See, he's taking a photo of yours. Not mine. My photos are there with him.
Saurabh Patil. Prathamesh Chakri.
What are you doing?
Shubham Putale. Sarthak Kalkar. Mahadev Kumar.
Give them a round.
Manjunath H. Tejaswini Gaikwad. Lakshmi Naik. Sachin Kandge. Akash Bagre. Kedar. Padmaraj.
Okay, ready.
ज्ञानेश्वरी सतीश नागसेन
She has come from there. Who are you?
नागसेन
Right?
अमोद
मुझे डर लग रहा है शायद मोदी साहब ने टैक्स लगाया है, थोड़ा एक बार पहले मारो।
अमोद विनायक
How many are left?
फोर
Come, Prakash. Come. Come.
विनायक सृष्टि वैष्णवी वैष्णवी चव्हाण
Vaishnavi.
अन्नपूर्णा
Yeah, just a second.
You got confused.
Your mom is
Previous got no? Previous left out?
How many of you are from BB? Raise your hands. यांना पुढे केलंय ना सगळं लक्षात राहिलं राहणार नाही माझ्या but just asking to check the variation which is there in the classroom. How many of you are from BBA? How many of you are from BCom? BSc? Great. कुठला subject? Chemistry. Major, minor? Plain chemistry. अच्छा. Okay. BA? BA? Engineering? BCA? दो लोग हैं. BCom. अच्छा. The major crowd here is BCom. Of course, that doesn't make any difference to you. It makes difference to me. Because you all are students and you have come to here, like you come here to learn something. But while giving, I have to also look at what I need to give. Yeah. So that's what. Irrespective of your streams, you concentrate what I say, but there are few things, there are few takeaways we could say from this particular presentation, right? And then we will start with our own numerical ability, which is aptitude test. Clear? Okay. How many of you know about this PGCET? The very, very great clarification for all of you is, I am not here to insult you. I am not here to put you down. I am not here to test your knowledge. You कळते रे बट्टे रे तुम्ही शिकलाय नाही शिकलाय मला काही फरक पडत नाही मी जे शिकवलं ते शिकला तरी पुष्कळ agreed clear to that what I'm saying at least today let us be attentive in the class and try to understand that what we are doing because why I said I'm not insulting you because I am going to take the concepts which we have learned in the 3rd standard and 4th standard and 5th standard sometimes up to 10th standard. Agreed? So you may feel, अरे मॅडम स्कूल लेवलचं शिकवायला लागले आणि मला लक्षात नाही मी आन्सर देऊ शकलो नाही. No botheration. It's all concepts which many of the professors have also ignored. That's why we are here. Getting my point here? So here we will try to understand somewhere we have left something behind, something we have carried up to with us, and something which we need to carry ahead. And that is one focus you need to have. Why? Because there is a huge difference in writing the examination. Remember going Madhuri? Till today, अब तक क्या किया आप लोगों ने? आप लोगों ने जो आपको कॉलेज में पढ़ाया, वो आपने बाय हार्ट किया या पढ़ा और आके लिख दिया. कितने लोगों ने स्टोरी लिखी पेपर में? पता नहीं. कितने लोगों ने पोएम्स लिखे? पता नहीं. कितने लोगों ने दो कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बीच में मसाला डाला? पता नहीं. But then we used to get here. So we have got lot of things which we have done it in a subjective paper. And still we got a marks. Why? Because examiner को लगता है, paper evaluator को लगता है, अरे बच्चे ने बहुत कुछ लिखा है, चलो इतना half page लिखा है तो 1 mark तो दे दे, right? So it's an emotional game. Am I correct? But here we are not for subjective paper. Now the focus you have to change. That's why I'm taking few more minutes to change your mindset. It's not about subjective paper. You cannot write, you cannot have a flow of your thoughts. But you have to be very, very precise in terms of picking the answer. It's only one question. Whichever it may be, I will take you through the presentation. I'll tell you what all sections are going to be there. And in that, you will understand, where you have to be more focused, where you are strong at, where you are weak at. Whichever area is weak, try to attain minimum. Whichever area is strong, you try to attain maximum. But mindset has to be shifted. That paradigm shift should happen, and you have to understand. अगर मैंने एक टिक कर दी, तो मेरे marks वहाँ पे आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. Getting my point? So that precision level when we are trying to reach at, we have to be very, very specific. And that specific thing happens only with technique. That specific thing happens with only tool. Am I correct? Can you all see me? Or is this in between? Party you should know. Right, what else?
I'm still understanding one question.
That's great. Give him a very big round of applause. His takeaway is you learned something new. That is what he said. Mask and social distancing, which was not there. But yet today also I saw students, they were not in social distancing. I'll get the bandu ellaru kaiya hakondu bandittre, and I ask you here to wear all these masks and sit at a distance. Does it make any difference? We are not forcing you to do this. But is your and protecting me also. Now why I am asking this? This is also relevant to today's session. First takeaway, learn something new. So you are going to have a different person, same nothing, old wine in the new one. Correct? What you have learned, I am going to tell you in a different way. That's it. Second thing is what? When we care for others, when we help others, they can help us. If you want to become successful in PGCET or any kind of aptitude test, henceforth, because you will be going for your PGs, it is always a teamwork. It is always a group discussion. It's always a group study. It's always a team spirit which is going to help you, because it's all nothing but different inputs from different individuals. And especially in verbal section, when I'm going to cover up little things, because I'm not a verbal person, but then in verbal section, this particular technique helps you a lot. Because it is not the time where you should start preparing for your any aptitude tests. Getting your point here? So if you sit in groups and maybe discuss on your online sessions, make your own Zoom meetings and sit together and discuss, take some books. In 3 days you can sit and maybe, it's like a wonder. One person, 3 people, 4 people together, one person is studying 10 words, another person is studying 10 words, another person is studying 10 words. So all together 3 or 4 people, if together they come, 4 people, 40 words you learn it at a time. So you are spending only time in learning 10 words, whereas a team when they sit together, you are coming up with 40 words. So that's the power of team spirit. So you remember this also. What is the third one? And for that, team work, when we say group work, we say we have to keep our egos aside. मी फार हुशार आहे, मला सगळं माहित आहे, मला काहीच येत नाही, हा इन्फिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. पुन्हा मला येते पण मी ह्याला कशाला सांगू? हा कोण? आणि मी कशाला एक्सप्लेन करायला पाहिजे? मग माझे मार्क्स कमी झाले तर? Correct? So these egos you have to keep it aside. Then he said mutual understanding. That's what. When you keep your egos aside, you will be having mutual understanding. One more take away. Quickly. I said 3 ना? Minimum 3 तो आने चाहिए. 7 महीने हम लोग घर पे बैठे हैं तो एटलीस्ट 3 टेकअवेज तो होने चाहिए ना?
What difference should be going to help?
Yes, exactly right. So what he said is you have to be healthy, right? Today, where has played any game, any kind of a magic here, except paying the bills to the hospitals. Now, in that case, recently we lost our railway minister, central railway minister. Couldn't he have paid the money? ऐसे भरपूर असतील ना, पे पण केले असतील ना, physical we could survive in. So is wealth important? Of course money is required. Money needs to be flowed because ऐसा नसल का मम्मा नहीं काम चालत नहीं. True, but at the same time you have to build the health. Now which type of health? Of course, as you said, it's your physical health. His focus was more on physical health. Who has recovered from COVID? COVID is not a big thing, it's just flu, actually, to be very honest. But then since our immune systems are not strong, it is affecting us. First, we are afraid of something, and second thing is we don't want to declare. Third thing is that we don't take care of ourselves. मला भाजी आवडत नाही, मला भात आवडत नाही, मला भाकरी आवडत नाही, मी हेच खात नाही, kind of things what you have developed. So many years, that is going to play a bigger role. But at the same time, if you want to be in the industry, let me take this relevance to the industry. If you want to be in the industry, you have to go for PG. And that's what I think Santosh just might have mentioned, because I was outside just talking to my faculty. I could hear the word saying that 2% of the people only go for PG, 0.2 or whatever it is. It was 1%. This time I don't know what would be the figure. But then that's normal thing that higher education is taken up very, very lightly by our own students. What is the scenario because of this COVID abroad, Yesterday we were talking to one of the US person, he said, people have finished their MS. It's very difficult to retain their visas because companies are not ready to take up. They are not having jobs. So the visas are not renewed by the government. It is very difficult for them to stay there. So these people are forcibly applying for PhDs. That's again an investment. But then they cannot recover that cost by coming down to India when there are no job opportunities. Do you think that they will recover this cost by coming here? Once they come here, they will not be in a position to go back again. So all problems will come together. But then how we are going to tackle this? When you have PG, you will be able to tackle these problems. Your problem solving skills will be enhanced, and that's the reason you need to go for PG. Whichever it's MBA, of course, I will vouch always for MBA. I am a science person, though, but then I always vouch because it's a life skill course. It teaches you n number of things. It teaches you how to live in your life. So when he mentioned it's physical health, mental health is also very important. Because unless and until your mental health is all right, your physical health will not be in alignment with your brain. Now, keeping your mental health also, good, you all have to have such kind of activities. Getting my point? But here now this is a mandate. So let us understand what this PGCET is, what all things will be included. Anybody has an idea? PGCET में कितने sections हैं? 4 sections हैं. Great. और उसमें क्या-क्या होता है? कितना syllabus है? Okay. Wherever there is relevance, you can also contribute your views. Open my name. Just vote directly, no issues. I hope there is an answer. Go to activity please. Second step forward. Yeah. Go to page 3. That I changed it to 0. Everybody knows my name? Is name important? क्यों? क्यों नाम बोला जरूरी है? It's an identity of a person. Your name? Great. Your professor's daughter? Oh, that's great. Right. Now, I was telling this is because there was a person from Appachiwadi. He was saying that we Appachiwadi. Who is that? And what's your this thing? So I said, you take your village name also very proudly. Don't you feel? Don't you feel that? माझं नाव, माझं गाव, मी जोरात सांगायला पाहिजे. Have that confidence first, then everything will fall into its own place. Never feel guilty that I have associated with this. A lot of people ask me. I never feel bad that I am at Sankeshwar because I know what I am doing. I know what I am doing, and I know my level. I don't have to go down, or consider myself as very superior or very inferior by others' opinions. No need. Getting my point here? Okay, fine. Now, what are we going to do through this session? Quickly, we'll do a few wrap-ups here. To know why PGCET, then we will understand what is the scope of the PGCET. At the same time, we will understand the nature of the PGCET. Then we will learn some preparation methods and how you have to handle these sections, and I will give you some general rules for that, and then I will continue my session for quantitative methods. PGCET is a postgraduate common entrance test. What is this? आज आप लोग कंपल्सरीली बैठे होंगे. अगर एडमिशन ऐसे ही देते बोले तो everybody would have come and taken the admission. Yes or no? Since it's a qualifying examination, especially for MBA and MCA course, right? Now it's an aptitude test. At the same time, it will be used for a selection process. It will be used for a selection process. What is a selection process? Anybody has an idea about selection and elimination process? What are those categories? तुमसे marks, PGC is a score, maybe something income, caste, all those things will be taken into considerations. Then categories will be taken into considerations, and you will be given an admission into the institutions whichever you would like to apply for or you would like to aspire for. Right? That makes sense. Now, what are these aptitude tests then? Anybody? These slides, I will not be reading all the things. I will be giving you the gist of it. It is for you to, follow. Yes, anybody?
Numerical system.
It's a
Numerical system. Numerical.
numerical. Okay. What else? What else? What is aptitude test? And why do we need aptitude test?
It is a numerical and problem solving skills.
Problem solving skills. I will read it now. I will agree with that. Okay. What else? It is not about testing your knowledge. Understand one thing. This particular test, whichever it is, this aptitude test will be there for every process. Now students feel that PGCET is only at the time of PGCET, in the sense at the time of admission for MBA and MCA. But believe me students, till you complete your course of MBA, then you have your recruitments, placements. Even those placements have this as one of the rounds. How the syllabus varies, that I will just give you later on as this thing. But it overall remains the same. Now, selection means, it's like, as I said, it's a criteria. But elimination process, that's a basic difference which we had among Indian institutions and foreign institutions. But the introduction of national education policy, maybe we are not beneficiaries of that, but imagine your children will be the beneficiaries of that. And it will also have the same case like selection process. How abroad, how people work abroad. They look at, when you want to apply for any particular course, you cannot go vaguely. Right? You have to build everything. What projects you are interested in, what credentials you have, what are skills do you have. Then if your marks are less also, that's fine. They don't go by marks. In India, if you have 60%, फिर उसने कॉपी किया होगा, किसी का पेपर स्नैच करके लिखा होगा, तो उसको मिल जाता है. But then imagine this guy is not well and he could not write examination that time very fairly, so he's been eliminated of the process though he is capable. But that thing is not there with other universities, especially abroad. And that's a difference between elimination method and the selection process. They eliminate you because you don't have these proper skills. They look at skills also, they don't go by marks. But here we have 60% मिले हैं इसको, throughout 60% है, throughout 80% है, तो उसको ले लो. अगर उसके पास skills रहेंगे, अगर वो करने की उसके पास कोई ताकत भी रहेगी, ability भी रहेगी, then we don't give a scope. But I think that particular component is been taken care now by introducing the national education policy. Please students, whether you take admission here or outside or you don't take admission, but please see that what this education policy is, because it's for you, for your future. 100 साल जीना है तो अभी 80 years आपके बाकी है, और 80 years में क्या-क्या changes होने वाले हैं, that national education policy is going to bring a lot of changes into the society, and you should be able to look at it. Now, coming back again to the point wherein I was saying why this aptitude test then, when it's been proved, it is only to test whether the particular candidate is able to perform the task of the duty whichever has been assigned by the person within the stipulated time. Got my point? Within the stipulated time. अगर मैंने इतना टाइम दिया तो इतने टाइम स्लॉट में अगर ये बच्चा कर सकता है कि नहीं? Believe me, I will share my own story. In 2012 GRE, GMAT also, all tests. And we used to teach, but then अपने subject में हम लोग lost रहते हैं. Then I said, let me check, how am I going to crack this? And I appeared for aptitude test, open mat exam. And believe me, I was so cautious because age के हिसाब से, maturity के हिसाब से आपको लगता है कि आपको perfect होना चाहिए. And I started, attempting logical reasoning and quantitative ability, and I was cross-checking. And cross-verifying कि answer बराबर ही होना चाहिए. And in that process, I was not able to manage the time for verbal section and analytical section, which was my cup of tea. So it's not all about your knowledge; it is all about how you are going to handle those sections within the stipulated time, which is given. Right? Next slide, please. Yes. This is again to check your innate qualities, innate abilities, that is within you, whatever you have. Then it tries to understand, as he said, problem solving. So here also it's like decision making skills. Next slide, please. Exactly right. Now coming back to one of the part which I was just mentioning, why this is being used, why aptitude tests. These are used by a lot of educational institutions for selection processes. Then it will be used by the companies for placement drives. And the third one comes as government organizations, like you have bank exams, you have recruitment for railways, you have recruitment for so many posts which comes from central government or UPSC, whatever it is. This component is compulsory. And that's the reason you have to focus on this. So अगर आप लोगों ने कहीं admission भी नहीं ली, तो भी ये section आपको जिंदगी में useful है. Try to understand that, and with that focus, you concentrate on this. Now, whatever we are going to talk about, 70% of the syllabus for every examination remains the same. Whether it's bank exam, whether it's your IPO exam, whether it's your railway exams, whether your central government small clerical examinations or whatever it is, 70% of this aptitude test remains the same. Only 30% varies with the degree of that particular post. अगर high post है तो थोड़ा सा high level का knowledge पूछा जाएगा या high level का task दिया जाएगा और इसके हिसाब मतलब जो आपकी post है उसके हिसाब से वो functional knowledge वहाँ पे add करेंगे. But 70% remains the same. Next slide. Yes. Now the PGCET what you are going to appear, it is all for 100 marks. Yes. What is the time? 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. Fair enough? 100 marks, 100 questions, and 120 minutes. But plus point is no negative marking. Correct? So with us to color. And that works. 70% of the students who appear PGCET submit to color. 24,000 and odd number of students, they appear every year. This year also, no doubt it's COVID, but still marking नहीं है, तो थोड़ा सा out of track जा सकते हैं, तुक्का लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन सब कुछ तुक्का लगाना नहीं होना चाहिए. Getting my point here? सब हर कोई lucky नहीं होता है. So some sections which are your cup of tea, work on it. जो आपको पता नहीं है उसमें आप लगा सकते हो क्योंकि वहाँ पे negative marking नहीं है. Then you have 4 sections. Now let us understand those 4 sections. Verbal ability, what we call it. Second comes as general knowledge, which is your current news awareness, which is also of 25 questions. Next comes your test of reasoning and general knowledge, which is again 25 questions. General knowledge, I have put it that general knowledge should be analytical reasoning actually. And the fourth question comes as quantitative analysis. Now in today's session, we are focusing on quantitative analysis. In tomorrow's session, it's verbal ability, and day after tomorrow, it will be analytical reasoning along with logical reasoning also. Normally, we used to make it 4 days, this time we couldn't make it. But one mock test, we'll try to see if it is possible physically, because with all the constraints, at least with your support, you have come, we have to give you something which you would like to take it up, right? So we'll try to do a justice to that. And these 2 sections, general knowledge will be a little bit touched because it is not the time to teach you. But I don't know, tomorrow's trainer will decide about